Welcome back kids, welcome to the channel. Yes, we have done till question number 2 of exercise 1.5. Yes, of exercise 1.5 chapter number 1 class 9. The name of the chapter is real numbers. We have done till question number 2. If you haven't watched the video of first two questions of the previous exercises, watch it fast. Okay, now we are on the question number 3. This is the most important question we are going to learn. Okay, this is an important question to increase your knowledge, for the enhancement of your knowledge. Yes, I am reading the question. Question number 3, exercise 1.5 NCERT. Okay, recall pi is defined as the ratio of the circumference of a circle. Pi is defined as the ratio. Pi is defined as the ratio of the circumference of the circle to its diameter. Let the circumference of the circle be denoted by C and the diameter by D. This is pi equals to C by D. This seems to contradict the fact that pi is irrational. How will you resolve this contradiction? Okay, it is saying that, let me tell you, first of all let me tell you one thing, that from where we got this pi. Yes, from where we got this pi. What is the definition of the pi? The definition of the pi. Yes, first of all learn the definition for the pi. What is the definition? Definition of pi. Okay. The definition for pi is that it is the ratio. Yes, it is the ratio. It is the ratio. It is the ratio of the circumference of the circle. It is the ratio of the circumference of the circle to its diameter. Yes, to its diameter. Okay, pi is nothing. Pi is nothing but the ratio of the circumference of the circle to the diameter of the circle. Okay, now ratio is what? Ratio equals to circumference of the circle. Let the circumference of the circle be denoted by C. The circumference of the circle is denoted by C and the diameter of the circle is denoted by D. The diameter of the circle is denoted by D. Okay, if you don't know the formula, yes, if you have forgot the formula of the circumference of the circle, circumference means what? Circumference means the boundary of the circle. Circumference means the boundary of the circle. Okay, we are talking about the boundary, the length of the boundary. Circumference means what? The length of the boundary. If you have forgot the formula of the circumference of the boundary, then let me tell you the formula is 2 pi r. The formula is 2 pi r. Okay, if this is the center, then the distance of the center from the boundary is what? R. The distance of the center to the boundary is R. R is, that is, radius. And if I complete this line, it will also be what? R. Then this combined is called what? 2R. This is what? This is the diameter. This is the diameter. Diameter is always twice of the radius. Yes, diameter is always twice of the radius. Okay. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Diameter is 2r. From 2 gets cancelled. R gets cancelled. The answer is pi. The answer is pi. Okay. So we can define pi as the ratio. As the ratio of the circumference. Of the circumference of the circle to the diameter of the circle. Okay. Now, as we know that pi is the ratio of C by D. As we know, pi is the ratio of C to D. Circumference of the circle to the diameter of circle. Okay. Let me tell you one thing. What is the definition for the, listen to me carefully. The nature of the pi. The nature of the pi to be rational or irrational. It depends on what? It depends on C and D. Okay. If C and D, if C and D are integers, then what? Then pi is what? Pi is the rational number. Pi is the rational number. Okay. If C and D, either of the two or both, either of the two or both are not integers, then what can we see? What can we say? We can say that it is an irrational number. Means the rationality or irrationality of the pi depends on two things, that is the C and the D. Okay. Now let me tell you one thing, bacha. Ki C is the circumference of the circle and D is the diameter of the circle. Okay. Let me tell you one thing. If this is the diameter, this is what 2r. This is what? Twice of the radius. Suppose one thing you can do assumption. For one thing you can do assumption. Suppose this diameter is flexible. Okay. Suppose this diameter is flexible. I can tilt it. I can mold it according to me. For measuring what? For measuring the length of the circle. That is, for finding the circumference of the circle. I am using what? I am using diameter of the circle. You can also use thread. Okay. You can also use scale. Whatever you feel like using. You can also use a thread of any length. Okay. For measuring the length of this circle. What will you find while doing it? It is the experience of the mathematicians. Okay. It is not just the assumption. It is the experience of the mathematicians. Then that when you used to find the circumference of the circle, you come across one serious problem. What? You won't be able to find the circumference of the complete circle. Suppose you started from here and you have found till I'm stopping here. From here to here you have found, but this gap, yes, I'm talking about this gap, this little gap AB will never be able to find. This is very small value. You will never be able to find. If you want to check it, you can also do this experiment at your home using a thread, using a scale, whatever you feel like using, whatever measuring tool you can use. Okay, whatever you want to use, you can use. But for finding the circumference of the circle of any radius, you won't be able to find the exact value, exact circumference of the circle. Okay, you will get the approximate value. Tell me one thing, bacha. Whenever we are talking about the approximation, then we use a single word, that is the irrational number. Because in case of rational number, the decimal expansion is what? Terminating. Terminating means finite. Okay, if the decimal expansion is non-terminating but repeating, we have found the values, bacha. Yes, we have found the values. We have found the values of 0.6 bar. Yes, the value was 6/9. We have found this value now. This is 2/3 is the exact value. Okay, and we have found the value of 0.9 bar, which is what? Which is 1. Getting a point? Which is what? Which is 1. Okay, getting a point. This is not the approximate value. These are the exact values. 0.9 bar is what? 1. Okay, getting a point. Means here we are talking ki pi is irrational. What is the reason behind pi is irrational? Although it is the ratio, yes, it is the ratio of 2. That is the circumference of the circle and the diameter of the circle. But the nature of the pi depends on these two. Pi is irrational because the mathematicians, who have done the mastery in mathematics, who have given a lot of mathematics to people. okay, from the past decades, okay, they have computerized the value of the, yes, the value of the pi up to trillions, yes, up to trillions of what? Up to trillions of decimal places, 3.1415 dash 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 dash. This dash never ends up. This dash never ends up. And you have seen this thing, that the decimal expansion, yes, the decimal expansion of this number, yes, the decimal expansion of this number is what? Is non-terminating and non-repeating. And non-repeating. Whenever the decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-repeating, we can say that the number is what? That the number is irrational. That the number is irrational. Moreover, no matters whatever radius we have taken here, no matters whatever radius we have taken here, the ratio of C to D always comes a constant. What is that constant? 3.1415 dash dash dash. Okay, 9265359, it will be dash 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 like this. Okay, getting my point? So we can say this thing, that it was asking that what reason you give, how will you resolve this contradiction? We can resolve this contradiction saying that pi is irrational. Why? Because one of the two, C and D, either of the two or both are not integers, okay. When we divide C to D, we get non-terminating and non-repeating decimal expansion. Therefore, it is an irrational number. Hope so you have listened. Yes, you have listened to the solution. You have listened to the solution very carefully. This is the most important question. Okay, that the pi is what? Pi is an irrational number. Thank you for watching.